Yeah, ngabe ngiyangalala mfethu. To be honest, the game was boring. Iyahlupha ukuthi when you respect somebody, ngathi that person akasa deserve the respect that you're giving.
Powerful statement, yeah.
You know, we all respect Sundowns. I love Sundowns. But how they play, do they deserve that respect?
Yeah, recently, no. Nami, I disagree.
And again, you look at Imaromo Galant, yes, we can say no, but they're also a PSL team and all of that. But now when you look at quality players, pound to pound, they can't match Amaplay Sundowns.
Yeah.
It's a group they can't match. But as a team, they've shown who they can match.
I mean, that's all for me. This is a game. It'll come my chances. Both
Yeah.
teams. I'll be honest to you.
yeah.
Bebadlala ngathi training session. It's like they are preparing for such a Monday game. Sundowns a different team. They dropped this money. We need to be realistic. They've got, yes, high-profile players, individual. But I'm not too sure what players they do want to play for Karius. I'm not too sure. I'm looking at the body language in fact of certain players.